What steps should I take if my Honeywell thermostat not turning on heat is due to a wiring issue?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to troubleshoot and potentially resolve a wiring issue with a Honeywell thermostat that's causing it not to turn on your heat. Always remember, safety is our top priority. Ensure the power is turned off before performing any of these steps.
What tools do I need?
For this troubleshooting, you'll need 1. A screwdriver for opening the thermostat and adjusting the wires. 2. Wire cutters or strippers to handle any damaged wires. 3. A multimeter for checking the continuity and power of the wires.
How do I open the thermostat?
Now, let's start by opening your Honeywell thermostat. 1. Remove the thermostat's faceplate. Usually, it can be pulled straight out, but if it doesn't come off easily, look for screws that might be holding it in place. 2. You should now be able to see the wiring underneath.
What should I look for in the wiring?
At this stage, we're looking for any signs of damage or loose connections in the wiring. 1. Check the wire colors and where they're connected. In most thermostats, the red wire, R, provides power, white, W, is for heat, yellow, Y, for cooling, and green, G, for the fan. 2. Ensure all the wires are properly inserted into their respective terminals and securely fastened. A loose wire could be the reason your heat isn't turning on. 3. Inspect the wires for any visible damage like fraying, cuts, or severe bends. If a wire is damaged, it may need to be cut back and stripped to expose undamaged wire.
How do I test the wiring?
Using your multimeter, you can test the wiring to check if there is proper power and continuity. 1. Check for 24 volts AC between the R and C, common, wires. If you don't find the correct voltage, there might be a problem with your power supply, not the thermostat. 2. Test for continuity between the R and W wires when the thermostat is set to heat. If there's no continuity, it indicates a wiring issue.
How do I fix the wiring?
If you've identified a wiring issue, 1. For a loose connection, reinsert the wire into its terminal and ensure it's tightly secured. 2. For damaged wire, cut off the damaged part and strip back the insulation to expose fresh wire, then reinsert into the terminal. Be careful not to strip too much. Around 1/4 inch should suffice. Thank you for watching today's video on troubleshooting and fixing a wiring issue on a Honeywell thermostat. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the problem or you don't feel comfortable performing them, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. We hope this video has been helpful in getting your heat back up and running.